Good morning, everyone. My name is Sri Padma Pavani. I am pursuing in first year BTech in CSM branch at SRIT College. Today, I am here to explain about pointers and address arithmetic on the basis of my CAA2 assignment. First of all, what is a pointer? A pointer is a special variable that stores the address of another variable. Unlike other variables that holds values of a certain type, pointer holds the address of a variable. For example, an integer variable holds or you can say stores an integer value. However, an integer pointer holds the address of an integer variable. This variable can be of type integer, character, array, function, or any other pointer. The size of the pointer depends on the architecture. Then pointer arithmetic in C. We can perform arithmetic operations on the pointers like addition, subtraction, etc. However, as we know that pointer contains the address, the result of an arithmetic operation performed on the pointer will also be a pointer if the other operand is of type integer. In pointer from pointer subtraction, the result will be an integer value. If when we perform arithmetic operation, the type if we perform an arithmetic operation on integer, the answer will be a integer. Result will be a integer. We can do addition or subtraction. Following arithmetic operations are possible on the pointer in C language. Increment, decrement, addition, subtraction, and comparison. These are the arithmetic operations possible in the pointers in C language. What is incrementing pointer in C? If we increment a pointer by 1, the pointer will start pointing to the immediate next location. This is somewhat different from the general arithmetic since the value of the pointer will get increased by the size of the data type to which the pointer is pointing. We can transverse an array by using the increment option on a pointer, which will keep pointing to every element of the array, perform some operation on that, and update itself in a loop. The rule to increment the pointer is given below. New address equals to current address plus I ampersand I add asterisk symbol size of data type, where I is the number by which the point get increased. Note, for 32-bit integer variable, it will be incremented by 2 bytes. If there is a 32-bit integer variable, it can increase it by 2 bytes. The size of the variable will be increased by 2 bytes. For 62-bit integer variable, it will be incremented by 4 bytes. The size will be increased by 4 bytes in the memory. And C pointer addition or subtraction. We can add or subtract a value to the pointer. The formula of adding or subtracting value to pointer is given below. New address equals to current address plus or minus number into size of data type. Data type, integer data type or character data type or array data type or function data type. We can use any data type. Note, for 32-bit integer variable, it will add or subtract 2 into number. For 64-bit integer variable, it will add or subtract 4 into number. In previous slide, we discussed about when 32-bit integer variable is applied, it will be increased by 2 bits. For 64-bit integer variable, it will increase 4 bytes. Like this, we can increase the memory. Next, there is some program to explain about addition or subtraction of pointers. Program. Program to illustrate pointer addition or subtraction. Source code. Include stdio.h integer main. We can declare integer a comma b comma asterisk pointer a pointer b, where pointer a equals to address of a, where pointer b equals to address of b, and here where a equals to asterisk symbol of pa, where b equals to asterisk symbol of pb. Now printf slash n addressing pa percentage u pa, where pa equals to pa plus 3. Adding 3 to the existing address, we are adding plus 3 to the existing address. Here pointer means we can denote address, so we have to add for address value. And then printf slash n in pa percentage u pa, where we can display the pa value. And next printf slash n addressing pb percentage u comma pb, where pointer b equals to pointer b minus 3. Now we are subtracting 3 from the existing address. Printf slash n addressing pb percentage u, where it exists pb. Then the output will be like this: addressing pa. The address of pa before adding is 6356724. Address after adding address in PA is 6356736. We can see differences above after some address in PB. 6356720. Address in PB 6356708. Here we can observe the pointer can increase the 12 bytes. We are increasing 3 numbers. So 3 into 4 bytes equals to 12. So we are adding 12 here. And when we are subtracting in pointer B, we are subtracting the 12 because it is a 64-bit integer value. So we can increase or decrease by 4 into numbers. So here we are adding plus 3. So we are taking 4 into 3. For addition, we are adding plus 12 to the address. And for subtraction, we are subtracting 12 from the address. Illegal arithmetic operations with pointers. There are various operations which cannot be performed on pointers. Since pointer stores address, hence we must ignore the operations which may lead to an illegal address, for example, addition and multiplication. A list of operations is given below. There is an illegal arithmetic operations with pointers. They are address plus address equals to illegal, address into address equals to illegal, address percentile address equals to illegal, address by address equals to illegal, address ampersand address equals to illegal, address caret symbol address equals to illegal, address or address equals to illegal. We do not do arithmetic operations for address to address. We can do for address to variable. Thank you for giving this opportunity.